Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on bedtime or sleep mode on your Samsung phone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. First of all, you go to your phone setting. Tap on setting. Next, tap on modes and routines. You can see that sleep. Tap on this. After that, you can see that turn on automatically. Tap on this and select sleep schedule. Tap on this. You can see that sleep time. Select sleep time. You set your preferred time before and after sleeping, and finally prefer the save button. Tap on save icon. Hopefully your problem solved successfully. Please subscribe to my channel.